I'm 20 minutes late for an appointment or to pick up my wife. So I ran down that mountain, and I'm at the bottom now, and this is the view. So I like to say aloha. I'm gonna walk you through as far as I can. I'm gonna end it, but this is gonna be the last part of the video. All right. See a little bit of what I live in, the land I live in. So that's the bamboo forest. So the bamboo trees. I go out there, just do all kind of stuff. Take my sword down there and practice. That's what the best thing to use for sword practice. And it's free too. This is the Pali. Out there is the Pali lookout where we had the battle of Kamehameha, the king of Oahu, where they died. He was thrown over the edge of the mountain. And then when they excavated the mountain to put the freeway, the tunnel, they found all the bones. They found all the bones of the Hawaiians died. All their capes, weapons, everything was still there. So I'm get ready for this view. Already there's some people starting their hike. So here we go. This used to be, this is the Nuuanu Reservoir. This holds our water, our drinking water. And this used to be larger and higher. Like you can see the tower, you see the dark. That's how high it used to be. And they've been slowly tampering with the water so that eventually we'll run out of water, even though Hawaii has like the best water, the most water. But every year with the removal of trees and the construction, and that has lessened the amount of rainfall each year. And they're blaming it on global warming. Yes, their construction and deforestation. So in there, there's catfish, all kind of stuff, and they let you fish in there. It used to be bigger. You could bring your boat, and you could go all up in. It goes all the way back. So, it was all the way up there, right there. You see the waterfall? That's the one we was at. Let's see if I can zoom in. See that? That's the waterfall we was at. So I gotta go. I'm so late. So what happened is back in the days we used to go in here, never used to have this barbed wire, never used to have any of those nails. We used to climb up there, walk out to the end, see how high the water was. You see the water marks, and we used to jump off of there, jump in the water. But now it's so shallow, people die, so they close it off. See, dangerous, no diving. Just gave up on this. Like, how are you gonna give up on freshwater reservoirs? What are you gonna drink? I'm sure they have backup reservoirs for the rich. So Hawaii does it. Sorry. Forest. Town's there. Beyond all the tree line and the mountain ridges, that's town. And then that way, beyond there is Kaneohe Bay. That's where a majority of the food used to be grown, down that way, because it's the wettest part of the island. So what they do now is they, through the ancient irrigation system, they divert the water from that side of the island to the driest part of the island where they're trying to build houses. They build like 50,000 houses already, and they're trying to build another 50,000. So they got all the screws loose. All we care about is money now, so nobody cares about this beautiful land. We're supposed to care for it, be the caretakers. No, we don't care about it. There's all this medicine for us, sitting right here, saying, here, take advantage of me, I'm here for you. And we're like, oh, I gotta go Longs, I gotta go CVS, go buy some medicine. We're gone. But I don't want to put too much drama. See, that looks beautiful. That's the entrance to the bamboo forest. We ain't got time. We're going straight to the freeway, straight into my truck, and straight to my wife's job. Lucky I'm nice. I'm a good husband, because now she'll be living. Look, the rain coming too. See that? It's beautiful, man. This Hawaii natives, what all our lands look like. This is what my father's lands look like in America. This is what my mother's lands look like in Hawaii. Better. Here comes the rain. I'm gonna touch you off if it gets too thick. Here it comes. That's the thing about Hawaii. You can see it coming. There's no rain. The rain, it's coming. And because we have trade winds, because we have such good trade winds, they just push the rain right away. So it comes and it goes. Oh shit. Oh, I'm just about to go down this big ass hill. Now it's gonna be all wet and muddy. Shit. That's why it's the wettest place in the world. I don't think it is anymore, no, all this construction. Hawaii was the wettest place in the world forever. Now I gotta go down this. Oh man, I don't really want to do it. That trail is gonna be super muddy too. Oh, here we go. Not land. I'm gonna take the grass route. I ain't no fake Hawaiian. You know, so just don't break the slippers, that's all. If you break the slippers, you're done. Oh shit. Ah, as I break my slip. poisonous spiders, I'll be fine. At least it's not overgrown like the last time I came. Whew. But it is muddy. And I got flip-flops, so only Hawaiians use flip-flops on hikes. And do it well. Hi, hi. Whew. So pretty. Smells so good. Whew. Sit back and smell the roses. Smell the flowers. Whew. You see the road? Whew. Almost there. Whew. That's what's up. That was what? Hour and a half of a hike, 2 hour hike almost. Because I swam and oh, you see on the video. But I had to shut it off though because I had tourists over there holding my camera, so from Alabama. So my boyfriend was getting kind of jealous. I never let him trip on her. Nice people though. Nice people. Alright, I think that's it. I'm coming out right here. Once we get out to the road, I'm gonna do my dismount. Oh, what is this? Is this polar berries? Man, I look for polar berries every time now. Means blackberry, bluish blackberry, like polar berry. I'm always looking for it because it's the #1 medicine for Hawaiians. So the government doing mass plant. Oh shit. To destroy all the polar berries. And now, when I was a child, I had polar berries. Now I'm in my 30s and you know, find polar berries to save your life. Come on. Oh shit! I was on the right path. What a bitch. That's what happens when you second guess yourself. Journey. You have a journey adventure. Get yourself into some adventures. That's what I was trying to say. There's my truck. Right in front of the entrance. Like a boss. So this is an archery, a bow and arrow hunting grounds. So you can't come here with guns, you can only come here with bow and arrows. And you can hunt for pigs. But I don't eat pig anymore, so most abundant food in Hawaii, wild food, is I no longer eat it. But on the other islands they get deer and cows and stuff, so over here get goats and stuff, so. Alright, so that's it. That's what's up. Honolulu Watershed Forest Reserve, Nuuanu section.